Okay, hello, good morning everyone. So moving on to lesson 3 about drawings. So let's first click on file and then click on new and then select drawing, and then for the standard sheet size select on A ANSI landscape and click on OK. Okay, now for this part here, right click anywhere, the sheet format, and then click on note on the annotation toolbar. Let's zoom in here and just put in our company name, or for this instance my university name, and click on OK. Okay, now click zoom to fit on the view toolbar and right click anywhere in the drawing sheet and select edit sheet to exit the edit sheet format mode. Okay, now to replace this format as the standard A landscape format, click on file and then click on save sheet format. Save sheet format here, and then you will save. Okay, now click yes to confirm that you want to override the existing sheet format. Now click on options on the document properties tab. Under drafting standard, click annotations. Under text, click font, and then for the height, click points and adjust to 12. Click on OK. Under drafting standard, click dimensions, select remove in trailing zeros, remove, and then click OK. This is to remove all trailing zeros from dimensions displayed. Okay, so now after we have opened part 1, let's click on model view here, and then the pointer will change into this icon with the blue cube here in the property manager. Under the part assembly to insert, click on part 1, and then we are going to click on, for orientation purposes, let's click on front view here, and then let's click on preview. Let's click on hidden lines removed and auto start projected view. So we will see like this, and then let's go back to the scale and use the scale, use custom scale, and use the scale of 1 to 4. Okay, now move this pointer here to the graphics area, and then the pointer has now changed into a different icon, into a rectangle white color icon. Now click to place the front view, and we will call this as our drawing view 1. Okay, now from here, just drag the pointer up, and then we will have our top view, and then let's drag to the right to get our side view. Okay, and if you're happy with that, and just right click, and it's finished now. Okay, so this is our drawing view 1, front view, top view, and side view. Okay, now let's click on drawing view 2 and try to move it up and down. I can, but left and right I cannot. But let's look at drawing view 3. I can drag it, move it left to right, but I cannot move it up to down. But if I move drawing view 1 here, the first one that I inserted, I can move it anywhere, and the 2 other drawing views will follow it. So let's now move our drawing view into this position here, quite like this. Okay, and now let's add the dimensions. Click on annotations and click on model items, and then at source destination, click on entire model and click on import items into all views. In the dimensions, click on the mark for drawing icon and click on the eliminate duplicates here, so that it will only insert unique model items only. So if you're happy with that, just click OK, and our dimensions have now appeared, but they are overlapping, so we have to rearrange them. So let's first rearrange them. Okay, like so that viewers can see the dimensions clearly. Okay, just a few more adjustments. Almost there, and that should be it. Yep. Okay, don't forget to save this drawing here, and we're going to save this as drawing 1. Okay, now let's modify those dimensions by first let's go to the drawing view, to the top view here, and click on the 25 here, and let's change 25 to 40 millimeters. Now don't forget to click on the rebuild button here, and then now the drawing has changed from 25 to 40 millimeters. Now don't forget to click OK and save. And when we're trying to save this time, the system notifies me that the model reference in the drawing has been modified and asks me if I want to save it. For these instances, just click Save All to save both drawing and the updated model. Now click on Windows and let's look at part 1 here. Now let's see part 1. Let's double click on Boss Extrude 2 here to display the dimensions of the features. Notice that the dimensions now has changed, has been updated from 25 to 40. Click anywhere in the graphics area to turn off the dimensions. Now let's open the assembly. Okay, now we are at the assembly. Now just now there has been a Windows open that says click rebuild, or a message appears for me to rebuild the assembly, and I clicked on yes. Then let's return to the drawing window. Okay, now we have returned to our drawing. Right click on any open area of the drawing sheet and select Add Sheet. Click the standard tree view on the drawing toolbar. In the property manager, select our assembly and then click OK. Let's reposition our drawing here so it looks like this. Now you can use a standard tree view to add all 3 standard views to a drawing at once, or you can insert it manually one at a time by using this model view icon here. So now let's click model view on the drawing toolbar. In the property manager, under part assembly to insert, select on the assembly. Now select on isometric. Under display style, select shaded with edges. Under scale, use the sheet scale. Now the pointer changes into this icon here. Click in the sheet to place the view. It will look like this. Okay, now to print, just click on File and click Print. Under the print range, select all sheets, and then to print both sheets just now, and then click on Page Setup. Under Scale and Resolution, just select Scale to Fit and click OK to close the Page Setup dialog box, and click OK again to close the print dialog box and to print the drawing. Click on Save on the standard toolbar. If the system notifies that the model reference in the drawing has been modified and asks if you want to save it, just click on Save All. Now let's close the drawing, and congratulations, you have now learned on how to do a drawing. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.